Imagine lying in bed, feeling weaker every morning, and not knowing why your muscles are fading away, no matter how active or careful you are. Shockingly, most people over 60 are losing muscle, not just from aging, but from making one critical mistake before sleep. If you think it's too late to save your strength, you need to hear what science has just uncovered, because your nightly routine could either make or break your independence. If you're over 60, you might have noticed your muscles shrinking, your arms and legs feeling softer, even though your weight stays about the same. Maybe now you need help with things that used to be simple, like opening a jar, standing up from your favorite chair, or bringing groceries in from the car. These struggles aren't just frustrating. According to research from Harvard and the NIH, muscle loss after 60 dramatically increases your risk of falls, slow recovery, and losing the freedom to live the way you want. One study even found that skipping certain nutrients at night increases muscle breakdown by over 40% in just 6 weeks. That's a hidden danger almost nobody talks about. But here's the big question. If muscle loss isn't just normal aging, what are we missing before bed that makes things worse? Is there something simple, something you can eat that turns back the clock on muscle loss and keeps you stronger, longer? Tonight, I'll share 8 powerful foods backed by real science that fuel your muscles while you sleep. I'll also reveal the #1 bedtime food that almost nobody over 60 is eating, but which research suggests can rebuild muscle nearly 50% faster than popular powders. Think about that for a moment. Have you ever woken up feeling stiff, tired, or weaker than the night before? Does it worry you that your strength might keep slipping away? Stay with me, because what you put on your plate tonight could change the way you feel on your feet tomorrow morning. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's start with the first food you should add to your bedtime routine. A food that's easy to overlook, but surprisingly powerful for preserving muscle overnight. Cottage cheese is an old-school favorite that's making a comeback for a good reason. It's a soft, mild dairy food loaded with casein, a slow-digesting protein that gradually feeds your muscles while you sleep. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at repairing muscle, especially during the night when muscle breakdown, or catabolism, naturally increases. What you may not realize, as some researchers observed in a 2019 study from Maastricht University, is that eating cottage cheese before bed can ramp up muscle repair by more than 20% without any changes in exercise. A short story. I remember a patient named Bill who struggled with nighttime weakness despite walking every day. He felt frustrated that all his effort wasn't paying off. We adjusted his bedtime snack to include half a cup of full-fat cottage cheese, and after several weeks, he noticed he could stand up from his chair much more easily in the mornings. It was a simple fix, but the benefits were real. Cottage cheese is also rich in leucine, a key amino acid that switches on muscle building, making the protein you eat actually count. To get the best results, eat half a cup about an hour before bed, using the full-fat kind if possible, and pair it with a few berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon, but avoid extra sugar, which can blunt the effect. Have you ever wondered why, even when you eat plenty of protein during the day, you still seem to lose muscle? Let's move to the next food, which bodybuilders have trusted for decades, but is gaining new scientific support for seniors. Eggs are often misunderstood because of fears over cholesterol, but research suggests they pack a powerful punch for muscle preservation, especially at night. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. That's critical, since your body can't make these building blocks on its own. In a landmark study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, adults who ate more complete proteins like eggs retained 40% more muscle than those who relied on plant-based sources alone. More surprisingly, in 2021, Japanese researchers found that eating eggs at night helps the body hold onto more protein during sleep, slowing muscle loss and supporting overnight repair. If you think eating eggs before bed sounds strange, consider this. The goal isn't just more protein, but smarter protein, one that digests gently through the night. Try 2 soft-boiled eggs about 90 minutes before bedtime. For easier digestion, and better results. Add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper, and skip the bread or butter, which can spike your blood sugar and interfere with hormone release as you sleep. If you can, choose eggs from pasture-raised chickens, which supply higher levels of omega-3's nutrients that research links to lower risk of muscle loss in people over 60. Maybe you found it hard to digest proteins as you get older. How can you help your body get the most out of what you eat? That's where our next food comes in, one that might surprise you. Kiwi fruit seems tiny, but its impact on sleep and muscle recovery is big. It contains a unique enzyme called actinidin, which helps your body break down proteins into absorbable amino acids. In a 2017 Massey University study, older adults who ate 2 kiwis an hour before bed absorbed 35% more amino acids overnight versus those who skipped the fruit. Kiwi also delivers a powerhouse dose of vitamin C, which helps battle muscle inflammation, a hidden cause of soreness and slow recovery. Plus, eating kiwi before bed can boost your sleep quality. In a simple experiment in 2011, adults who added kiwi to their nightly routine fell asleep faster and got deeper, more restorative sleep, which is when most muscle repair happens. To try this, eat 2 medium-sized kiwis, skin in all 30 to 45 minutes before going to bed. The skin holds extra fiber and antioxidants, which slow digestion and steady your energy during sleep. Just wash them well, slice, and eat slowly. Just remember, mixing kiwi with dairy can reduce its beneficial effects, so keep these foods separate. What if the real solution to modern-day muscle loss isn't a new supplement, but something as basic as a handful of seeds? Let's talk about a bedtime snack that's many times more powerful for your muscles than you ever imagined. Pumpkin seeds are tiny, but loaded with the minerals your muscles need. Magnesium, in particular, runs more than 300 reactions in the body, including protein creation and muscle contraction. Shockingly, according to the NIH, over 2/3 of adults over 60 don't get enough magnesium, which raises their risk of muscle weakness and even falls. Pumpkin seeds also offer tryptophan, needed for the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. This isn't just about getting more hours of rest. In a 2022 study, a tryptophan-rich snack before bed lifted deep sleep by 19% and improved overnight muscle recovery by 17%. Improved sleep means your body actually repairs what the day has worn down. To get these muscle-preserving benefits, eat 2 tablespoons of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds about an hour before bedtime. Roasting reduces their natural enzymes. Chew thoroughly for best absorption, and follow with a cup of warm water or herbal tea. It's a simple step, but can make all the difference for those nocturnal leg cramps or morning stiffness. Have you been avoiding potatoes, thinking they're bad carbs? You might be missing one of the best ways to protect your muscles overnight. White potatoes have gained a bad reputation, but eaten in the right way, they are actually a powerful tool for preserving muscle after 60 cc. Your muscles rely on glycogen, stored energy, to avoid breaking themselves down at night. Low stores mean the body scavenges your own muscle for fuel. Eating a cooled, boiled potato before bed helps maintain those stores and keeps your muscles protected. Potatoes are rich in potassium, vital for muscle contraction, and much higher per serving than bananas. In 2023, a study showed that consuming a potassium-rich meal before sleep reduced nighttime muscle cramps by 31% and improved morning leg strength by 21%. But the real magic is in their resistant starch. By boiling and cooling a potato, you transform its carbohydrates into a slow-digesting fiber that feeds your gut bacteria. Those bacteria, in turn, produce short-chain fatty acids needed for muscle repair and for fighting inflammation. A double win for anyone concerned about muscle loss. To try it, boil a medium white potato, chill it in the fridge, then reheat slightly or eat cold drizzled with olive oil and herbs. Avoid heavy toppings like butter and skip the sour cream, as they can block these benefits. It's amazing to think a food so simple can have such a dramatic impact. But that's what the science shows. If you're interested in plant-based options, let's move to a food that's both ancient and modern. a staple in many cultures, and a new ally in the fight against muscle loss. Lentils are dense, hearty, and especially rich in lysine, an amino acid, essential for repairing muscle tissue and supporting the creation of new collagen. In a pivotal European Journal of Nutrition study, older adults who ate 50 grams of lentils daily for 8 weeks registered a 26% improvement in muscle repair rates compared to those who ate bread. Lentils are also packed with folate, iron, and zinc, all critical for oxygenating your blood and repairing your muscle fibers each night. And unlike some animal-based proteins, lentils have an anti-inflammatory profile, reducing the low-level muscle stress that everyday life imposes on seniors. If you want to get the most out of them, try a simple lentil soup warmed with turmeric, cumin, and lemon juice about 1 or 2 hours before bed. Avoid mixing lentils with rice at night, as too many carbohydrates close to bedtime can disturb your sleep cycle hormones. Soak or pressure cook your lentils to make digestion as easy as possible. Have you tried bedtime yogurt? Most people only see it as dessert, but it's one of the most effective ways to fuel overnight muscle rebuilding when you pick the right kind. Greek yogurt, full fat and unsweetened, is more than just a snack. It boasts both fast and slow digesting proteins, whey for immediate repair, casein for a steady release of amino acids. Together, they support muscle growth for hours. In a 2020 study, published in the British Journal of Nutrition, participants over 60 eating a high-protein dairy snack before bed saw almost a 30% increase in new muscle synthesis overnight. Greek yogurt also supplies calcium, which is necessary to prevent nighttime muscle spasms and support strong contractions. Its live probiotics help digestion and nutrient absorption, which becomes more important with age. For best results, eat 3/4 of a cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt about an hour before bed. Let it reach room temperature for easier digestion. Skip the fruit and sugar. You can add a little cinnamon or raw cocoa for variety. Experience the difference this makes. In just a few weeks, your mornings might feel lighter and stronger. We've reached the final food, a staple that's as ancient as civilization, known by grandmothers and legendary athletes alike, but somehow forgotten in modern times. It could be the single most undervalued tool for restoring lost strength and comfort after 60. Bone broth, when made slowly and properly, can be a game changer. It's packed with collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline amino acids that form the actual scaffolding of muscle, tendons, and ligaments. These structures weaken with age, making you more prone to soreness and falls. In a 2022 nutrients trial, seniors with early signs of sarcopenia drank a cup of bone broth every night for 12 weeks and saw remarkable results: over 2 kilograms of lean muscle gain, a third more grip strength, and half as much morning muscle soreness. What's especially impressive is that these gains came without changes to physical activity, just by adding the right food before sleep. Glycine in bone broth supports growth hormone release at night, which is essential for rebuilding tissue as you sleep. Collagen peptides help knit torn fibers and reinforce the connections that keep your joints stable and strong. To make proper bone broth, simmer beef, chicken, or turkey bones with joints and cartilage for at least 12 hours, with filtered water, a dash of vinegar, and a few herbs. Avoid artificial flavors or cubes. Real broth is what delivers the benefits. Have you ever wondered how some people in their 70s and 80s still enjoy true independence and vitality? Strong, resilient muscles are the secret. And now you know there are 8 simple foods backed by science and tradition that rebuild your strength while you sleep. Are you ready to take action tonight and support your muscles from the inside out? Have you tried any of these bedtime boosters before? Which one most surprised you? Share your story in the comments below, and let's support each other with real answers and encouragement. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical tips on beating age-related muscle loss and living vibrantly after 60. And make sure to check out our next video on reversing insulin resistance for even more ways to support your health. If you've ever felt tired, weak, or just want to feel stronger in the morning, you're in the right place.